The Clean Development Mechanism is defined in the Article 12 of the Kyoto Protocol. In this module, we'll understand what it is. The CDM mechanism allows a developed country which has been ratified under Kyoto Protocol to implement a clean energy project in developing countries. A CDM project activity might involve, for example, a rural electrification project using solar panels, or the installation of more energy-efficient boilers. These projects can earn Certified Emission Reduction or CER credits, calculated as per the emissions reduced post-implementation. Each credit is equivalent to 1 ton of carbon dioxide, which can be counted towards meeting Kyoto targets. These saleable credits can be used by the developed countries to meet a part of their emission reduction targets under the Kyoto Protocol. The mechanism is seen by many as a trailblazer. It is the first global environmental investment and credit scheme of its kind, providing a standardized emissions offset instrument, the CERs. Many CDM projects include installing renewable energy systems. As the cost of clean technology continues to fall, CDM projects continue to be more viable solutions towards emissions reductions. The next example is a wind project in China. This project consists of 19 850 kilowatt turbines having a total generation capacity of approximately 16 megawatts. In addition to reducing approximately 38,000 metric tons of carbon dioxide annually, this project promotes sustainable development by expanding local employment opportunities as well as increasing the local tourism. The world's largest CDM project is the Himachal Pradesh Reforestation Project in India, and Spain, Sweden, Japan and Canada have invested in the project through the World Bank's Biocarbon Fund. The project entrusts people with the task of growing and protecting plantations, and it is based on 10,000 hectares of degraded land spread across forest, community and private land. The project aims to give farmers cash incentives and meet their needs of small timber, firewood and minor forest produce, providing employment opportunities in the long run. Kenya is the host country for an agricultural carbon project involving 60,000 farmers and 45,000 hectares of degraded land, and the other party involved is Sweden. The project's objective is to remediate the land using a wide range of methods to increase the soil's organic content. In the long run, this should improve the soil's water absorption, nutrient supply, and biodiversity, and help prevent erosion. Better soils raise farm yields, improving food security and making agriculture more resilient to climate change. The project issued carbon credits for sequestering carbon in soil, representing a reduction of more than 24,000 metric tons of carbon dioxide, which is equivalent to emissions from more than 5,000 vehicles in a year. The CDM mechanism stimulates sustainable development and emission reductions, while giving industrialized countries some flexibility in how they meet their emission reduction or limitation targets. There are already more than 5,000 projects registered under CDM, involving more than 4,500 organizations spread across 161 countries, making this a truly global mechanism.